The house was built in 1927 for quite a prominent timber merchant, Samuel Schneier, and his wife Toby, and they lived in the house for 32 years. It's quite amazing. The house is built on the highest ridge of the Westcliff Ridge. The kitchen is definitely the heart of the house. And when we designed it, we actually combined an existing breakfast room and adjacent room. The kitchens normally were quite separate in these old homes. I brought the heritage and the modern together by firstly doing quite a good study on exactly the values and what we had to preserve and what was able to be changed and what not. So the biggest thing with these old houses, they're not kind of designed as open plan. Today we like more open plan living, and that opens to that east garden that became quite a lovely rose and herb garden for the client. We had to combine existing rooms and spaces by carefully opening what we could remove and then create more open plan, kind of a friendly living space for young family. The inspiration for this new pavilion was something in quite a contrast to the old Edwardian house. So we literally saw this as a modern glass pavilion or garden pavilion, and what was quite special about this, it was designed so that we look back at the house.